Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be installing the wig that I constructed in my last video. So if you guys want to see how I achieved that, please keep watching. So I'm just going to start by dividing my hair into two sections. Since my hair is already braiding, I'm just going to braid everything into two different sections so that it hooks as flat as possible. So once we're finished braiding, I am just going to go in with this stocking cap. I'm going to fold my hair at the back of my head. I'm just going to tuck the ends in between the braids. Once everything is nicely tucked, I'm just going to put on this stocking cap. I'm going to pull it all the way down to my forehead and over my ears. Now I'm just going to push my baby hairs backwards underneath the stocking cap so that it doesn't get tangled in the lace glue. I'm just going to cut some air tabs. Now I'm gonna go in with some got-to-be glue, and I'm just going to place some right in front of my hairline, and I'm just going to create an even layer. I'm just gonna go off camera and blow dry that for about 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, once it's dry, I'm just gonna go in with this eyebrow raisin. I'm just going to cut the excess pieces off. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. Now I'm just going to go back in with some got-to-be glue, and I'm just going to apply some right where the stocking cap starts, and I'm just going to create a smooth level paste, and I'm just going to bring it a little back onto the stocking cap. Once our layer is on, I'm just gonna go off camera and blow dry that for a bit, and I'll be right back. So this is the wig. If you guys want to see how I constructed it, please check out my last few videos. I'm just gonna put the wig onto my head.
Now I'm gonna just press the lace into place. I'm just gonna blow dry that for a few minutes off camera. Okay, so this part is optional, but I'm just going to put a few strands to create some baby hairs. Okay, once the strands are out, I'm just gonna go in with this elastic band so that I ensure that my lace is glued to my forehead as much as possible. I'm gonna leave the elastic band on for a few minutes, then I'm just going to cut and lay my baby hairs. Once my edges are laid, I'm just going to go in with this silk band just to tie down my edges so that they lay and they stay in place. So I'm just gonna dry that off camera for about 10 to 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Now I'm just gonna go in with some of my simple toner to remove any excess glue that may be lingering around my forehead area or excess glue that may be lingering in front of the lace. And I'm just going to go in with some concealer just to make the lace look a bit more like scalp. And let's get right into the finished product. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to leave a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!